Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to use grid container in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and then you see plus icon. So click on it and then you see which layout would you like to use, and then you see flex box grid. Now select grid and then you see select your structure. So you can select according to your requirement. So we select this. Now you see grid layout edit. Now you see plus icon. So click on it and then you see image. Now drag and drop here. Now you see edit container. So click on it and then you see container layout grid, content width, box width, and then you see grid outline. If you want, you can enable or disable according to your requirement. And then you see column for desktop, row for desktop. Now 2 if you want, you can increase row like this. Now you see 6, if you want, you can increase column like this. Now you see layout, so you can adjust column and row according to your requirement. And in grid column you can add only one widget. Now we are going to add another widget. Adding, drag and drop like this. And if you want to add 2 widgets or more than 2 widgets in grid layout, now you see plus icon, so click on it and then you see container. Now drag and drop container in grid and then on left side you see container layout, select grid and then you see width, content width, and then you see column, row. So we are going to add only 2 widgets. Now column 2 and row 1. Now you see 2 column with 1 row in grid. So you can add 2 widgets according to your requirement. If you want to add more widget, so you can increase column and row. So we are going to add image. Now select. Now drag and drop like this. Again select. Drag and drop like this. Again click on edit container. So this column and row layout for desktop. And if you want, you can change column and row layout for tablet and mobile view. Now click on mobile portrait. Now you see 1, row 2. If you want, you can column 2 like this, 3 for mobile view. So you can do setting according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.